We are at the Basilica of Mobile, Alabama. And this is a climate which does freeze. And you can see this garden around here is all shady. There are these big, beautiful magnolias and live oak up here. But what a lot of people don't realize is that you can grow citrus in the shade. And it's been cold enough to damage citrus here, but there's a microclimate going on inside of the city, all that mass up there, and all of this tree up here. But these trees are fruiting in the shade, and there's not a lot of fruit trees that will actually fruit in the shade. But citrus is one of them. Like, I wanted you guys to see that, what a microclimate can do, probably pushing the zone by at least 1 zone warmer. Catch y'all next time, and until then, may your thumbs always be green.